Review video, I'm going to show you how Jaaxy, the keyword research tool, will help you with your blog content and what you want to do in terms of writing content for your blog. This is way different to anything else that you may have seen or used in the past. It will actually help you keep ahead of your competition in terms of what you want to do. The best way to use it is that if you're going to do a review of something in terms of the keyword tool, what will happen is you write in the review, as I've done here as an example, you'll write a review of, and then you can put Jaaxy the keyword tool. That's the title of one of my blog about this, which you can review beneath this video. But what you'll do is you'll come down here, and what we're looking for is in the average section and the QSR section is for two types of figures. Now, in the average section, we want to be looking for between anything that's over 40 and anything in the QSR section that's beneath 100. So, in other words, what will happen is you can see I've clicked on what is the Jaaxy keyword research tool if I was going to write a blog about that. So what I've done is I've clicked on the key quality index score, and that showed me that because that is below 30 and that is over 40, this is the average amount of searches per month that you would get on your for that particular tool. Sorry, average number of searches per week that you would get for that phrase. Then this would be a good phrase to write your blog post around. So anything that's over that, you can quite happily go and check what it is. So let's take another one here. Let's take this one here. What is Jaaxy the keyword research tool? Because it's just literally moved the. It's instead of what is the Jaaxy, it's called what is Jaaxy the keyword research tool. So it has an average searches of 139 per week, and the QSI. Let's see what the result comes up to. That should be the same as great, and it is. So we can use that quite happily because that figure and that figure are over 40 and below 100. So you can use that in your tool quite happily without any problems whatsoever. So that's how you would use it, and you quite literally would type into here either a review of or the name or the first name, and you would get the that would be what will give you the right results that you can get it, and then you can go and save those onto a list here. So because I've chosen that one, you would click it and save it to your list, save it to your list there, and then that literally can to a new list there or an existing list, and that will save it to where you want to put it to. So that's how you would do that. That's a review of Jaaxy the keyword research tool, and you can read the review on it beneath this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the bell button and give it a thumbs up so you get all notified of all the videos that come onto my channel on this subject. Thanks for watching.